Tesla Model Y with a big damage on the hatch. This one got paint damage, as you can see here. So in this case, the customer is not really concerned about the paint. They want me to repair the damage, the dent, and also touch up the paint. And there is another way we can also hide this location here is by putting a spoiler after we repair the dent. And you can see the dent is a big dent. It comes all the way from here and it goes all the way to the other side.